Hey guys, Max Keeler here at St.Albert Dodge, back in the active showroom. Behind me, we have a 2020 Ram 3500 one-ton diesel Laramie truck. Super sharp, all blacked out. Checking it out up front, you have your night edition, giving you the black grille. You have your black badging. Heavy-duty tow hooks, front parking sensors, LED headlights, and driving lights. You have your surround camera system, so you have your camera up front in the grille. You have a nice black bug deflector. You have 3M all across the front of this truck as well. Painted to match flares, you have your 20-inch black wheels, black badging, tow mirrors, painted to match door handles with your keyless entry from proximity. You have your power running boards when you open up the door. Inside, you have your black leather bucket seats. You have your 12-inch Uconnect touchscreen, sunroof, all of your power options. You have your driver safety with your adaptive cruise, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Very, very sharp truck, full-size crew cab. Checking out the back seat as well, 60/40 split bench, folds on up as well. Very, very clean inside and out. Rear sliding window, you got your mud flaps all the way around. Rear parking sensors as well with your painted to match rear bumper. Black badging, backup camera, you have your class 5 hitch and your trailer connections. Easy access tailgate as well. Box line bed, fifth wheel prep package. And you have your plugins in the box as well. So very nicely optioned out truck. We're gonna go inside now and check it out, and I'll see you in there. Hey guys, Max here now on the inside of this 2020 Ram 3500 Laramie, checking it out, super sharp. Starting here on the driver's side, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors with your power folding, as well as your memory settings for your seats. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel with your audio controls on the back. On the left side, you have your controls for your vehicle information screen in the middle. And on the right side, you have your cruise control settings, as well as your adaptive cruise control settings, which is very nice. Column shifter, push to start, push button, 4-wheel drive. You have your 12-inch Uconnect touchscreen with your physical climate control buttons on the sides here as well. You can control it all via the screen. Trailer brake controller down here. You have 6 programmable auxiliary buttons. You have your tow haul, your exhaust brake, and your front and rear parking sensors as well. Up top, you have your lane keep assist. This is made into a 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. Very, very nice. USBs and USB-Cs and your auxiliary ports as well. 2 cup holders, a very big tray here that slides back and forth. And then you have your big bin up front. Pull it back out. You have your top and full console here. Sunroof up top. You have your 12-volt up top here as well. Top and bottom glove boxes. This one opens up with a push of a button. And your bottom one is locking. So no shortage of storage up front in this truck. And then up top, you have your controls for your sunroof, your rear sliding window, as well as your interior lighting. And then you have your power tailgate as well. Leather wrapped center console, more cup holders back here as well. Very, very loaded up Laramie trim truck. Pretty much wraps up the interior, and I'll see you guys out there. So guys, that pretty much wraps up our 2020 Ram 3500 Laramie. Super sharp truck, all blacked out, all the options, 3M up front. What more could you really ask for? So if you want a little more information, feel free to call me anytime, 780-721-7733, or come down to St.Albert Dodge at 1155 St.Albert Trail. Come say hi, come check this truck out. This one definitely will not disappoint, and it won't last long, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.